In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in Jira. Whether you're completely new to Jira or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you set everything up properly and get started with confidence. Let's dive in. First, log into your Jira account and open your dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can access all your projects, tasks, and updates in one place. Now look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a section labeled a space. When you hover over it, a small plus icon will appear. This is what you'll use to create a new project, so go ahead and click on it. Once you click it, Jira will take you to the project creation page. Here, you'll see a variety of project templates. These templates are designed for different types of work, such as software development, business projects, or simple task tracking. Choosing the right template helps you save time because it already includes a structure you can use right away. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick the one that best fits your needs. When you're ready, click on Use Template. Next, you'll need to give your project a name. Make sure the name clearly describes what the project is about, so it's easy for you and your team to recognize it. Jira will also generate a project key automatically. This key is a short identifier used for tasks inside your project. You can customize it if you want, or just leave it as it is. After that, choose the access level for your project. You can set it to private if you want to limit access, or make it open so your team members can easily collaborate. This decision depends on how you plan to work and who needs access to the project. Once everything looks good, click on Create Project. Jira will instantly set up your project, including its board and basic workflow. Now your project is ready to use. You can start creating tasks, assigning them to team members, organizing them on your board, and tracking progress as your work moves forward. And that's it. You've successfully created a project in Jira. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.